Mga kanos! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko, Ryan Gesto. And for today's episode 86, mga master and bestsellers by Kopi-lo-ilo. Kopi-lo-ilo, an infusion of Singapore, Malaysian-inspired coffee shop here in Iloilo City. They're located at Solis Street, beside Grillers, and in front of Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. They're open every Monday to Saturday, 9 a.m. until 6 p.m. and close on Sunday. For fullest of menus and delivery details, I'll provide description down below. This episode is sponsored by Kopi-lo-ilo. And disclaimer lang mga nos, is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always kayo notified sa my latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. And kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, ilang seconds or ilang minutes, huwag niyo pong i-skip. Malaking tulong na yon sa aking channel. These are blueberry lemonade for 100 pesos. It has the right zestiness for fresh lemon and distinctive blueberry jam. Excellent combination for healthy and very refreshing for this summer heat. These are Yes-Odles No-Odles for 150 pesos. It has a sweet and savory stir-fried Thai noodles with chicken and vegetables. Has that kick of Thai spice, level 4 out of 5. Based on my experience and taste mixed with its on-point Thai food essence, soft and delicate noodles with combination of herbs, spices, and meats. These are Choco Toast for 55 pesos. The texture of its bread is very crispy, combined with its sweet, chocolatey flavor, and very similar yung overall flavor and appearance sa experience ko during Singapore days as an OFW. These are Kopi O 16 ounce for 55 pesos. It's a type of traditional coffee originated from Singapore. It's highly caffeinated black coffee served with sugar. Very precise yung black coffee and Kopi O quality. Perfect for rainy season and for coffee lovers. There's snowball with a shot of coffee for 75 pesos. It's a fun and very attractive dessert, most especially if you're pouring the shot of coffee or your vanilla ice cream. It has a good balance for its mallows, sweetness, and for its overall flavors and quality for this amazing dessert. If for rating manos for all of their foods and drinks, I'll give it a perfect 10. Based sa second time visit ko, ito, na-maintain pa rin nila yung consistency for its service, precise yung presentation for its foods and drinks. That was very budget friendly siya. Most especially for its Singapore or Malaysian inspired coffee shop. Ito, naging on point sila when it comes sa names, sa quality, sa overall ingredients, and also sa process and preparation for their drinks and foods. Place to enjoy excellent quality of products and amazing dining experience, especially they practice safety protocols upon entering their store. So far, this is my top 1 coffee shop in Solis Street, Iloilo City. Once again, thank you so much sa lahat po bumubuo, for the owners, manager, and baristas for this amazing experience, and congratulations to Kopi-lo-ilo. Keep safe mga nos. See you on my next tastes or brand reviews. Bye!